Hi friends, this is Lakshman. Welcome back to another video. In the today's session, we are going to talk about what is the future scope of Jira Administrator, what are the responsibilities of a Jira Administrator, and what is the average salary for a Jira Administrator, and what is the career growth of a Jira Administrator. Is there any huge job openings for a Jira Administrator in the software industry nowadays? And what type of MNC companies are hiring for Jira Administrator role? So we will cover all these details in this session. Watch it till end of video, then you can definitely understand about complete details of Jira Administrator. Okay, so before going to discuss about the main topic, if you have visited our YouTube channel for the first time, then don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, and also don't forget to share to your friends as well. So if you really like our contents, please hit the like button as well. Okay, so without wasting our time, let us start the main topic. So before going to deep dive into main topic, so first let me tell you what exactly Jira software and what is the advantage of Jira software tool. Why software companies are using Jira and why Jira is used for testing environment. I will give answers for all these queries right now. First, let me tell you what is Jira. Jira is a software application. It is used for issue tracking and project management. So this Jira tool is developed by Australian company, that is Atlassian. Nowadays, most of the software companies are widely used by the agile development team to track bugs, stories, epics, and other tasks. And again, you may have another doubt: what is the advantage of Jira? So Jira is mainly used for to manage the workflow and task progress. And it also helps you to change the permission for a particular task within your team. You can change or edit the permission at any time during the project. Why software companies are prefer to use Jira software tool only? The answer is flexibility. That means this Jira tool can support any type of project extensibility to work with thousands of apps and integrations. So therefore, most of the software companies are used to prefer this Jira software tool. You may have another query: why software testing engineers are using Jira software tool? This Jira software tool is a project management tool to track the bugs and issues. So it is widely used issue tracking tool for all types of software testings. Therefore, all software testing professionals must have knowledge on Jira software tool as well. Now let's talk about what are the responsibility of a Jira Administrator tool. Now let's talk about what are the responsibilities of a Jira Administrator tool. As a Jira Administrator, you must have strong experience on various Atlassian products like Jira Core, Jira Software, and Jira Service Desk and Confluence. So you must have good knowledge on various Atlassian products as well as a Jira Administrator. The primary responsibility of a Jira Administrator, that is, you must have good experience on installation, configuration, maintenance. You should have knowledge on various Atlassian products as well, like Jira, Confluence, Bitbucket, etc. Based on the project and based on the company, you must have good knowledge on various Atlassian products. And you must have strong experience on project management, like creating the project and configuring the project. And you must have strong experience on user management, like you can able to edit or delete for particular user information, and you can able to create user groups, and you can able to create permissions, and you can able to set references as well. As a Jira administrator, you must maintain a Jira software server and a Jira Confluence server as well as other related products. You should have experience on to manage global settings, including users and groups, roles, permissions, and schemas. You should have deep knowledge on Jira platform to manage complex Jira software workflow, custom fields configuration, screen schemas, permission schemas, and notification schemas. You must have experience on implementation of some simple scripts for business logic as well, like a script runner or a JSU automation. So now technically speaking, some other additional skills also required for a Jira administrator, that is nothing but Jira query language also is required for Jira administrator. You must have experience on Jira query language, JQL, and general scripting knowledge also required for Jira administrator. and you should provide system support, including responding to the monitoring alerts as well. And you are also responsible to make clearance for troubleshoot issues and tasks in time. Like this, there are few more responsibilities are there for Jira administrator. So if you have basic knowledge on latest technologies, that is added advantage to you. And the next query is what type of companies are hiring for Jira administrator? See friends, all major MNC companies are hiring Jira administrator nowadays to maintain their Jira software tool. I couldn't say there are huge job openings are there for Jira administrator. Yes, I can say there are few job openings are there for Jira administrator as of now. But in the future, maybe it's going rapidly. We can expect huge job openings in the future. So I highly recommend you, if anyone is working in the IT industry or non-IT industry as an administrator in other domains. So if you want to move into software industry as an administrator, then this is the one of the best job. Hope these jobs are going to more openings in the IT industry. Okay, now let's talk about what is the average salary for Jira administrator. So the average salary for Jira administrator from minimum 4.5 lakhs to 10 lakhs package is available in all major IT companies. So the salary is different from company to company. Okay, you can expect for 4 years of experience candidate, you can expect to 6 lakhs to 7 lakhs package or 8 lakhs. Now you may have another doubt, what is the career growth of Jira administrator? I can say one thing friends, as a administrator job in IT industry, you don't stick with only administrator job for a long time, because you may not expect a more career growth as an administrator for a long time in the IT field. You have to learn associated skills, or you have to upgrade latest IT. You have to upgrade with the latest IT skills, and you have to switch to new domain. So after getting some professional experience on particular administrator job. So I highly recommend you. So once you get some professional experience on any IT administrator, then you have to switch to new domain or new technology for better career growth and for better package. So that's all guys, man. If you feel this video is very informative, then don't forget to hit the like button, and also don't forget to share to your friends as well. So we'll meet with one more useful content video. Thank you very much.